Welcome to today's quick tutorial on streamlining your Telegram experience. If you've updated to the latest version of Telegram Web on your PC and want to clean up your folders by removing non-contacts, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into the steps. First, open your preferred browser and head to Telegram Web. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, take a moment to locate the sidebar on the left side of the screen. This is where your chats, folders, and settings are organized. Now, focus on the folder labeled Personal. This is your default folder, but you can apply these steps to any custom folder you've created. Right-click on the Personal folder, or the folder you want to adjust. A small menu will pop up. From this menu, select Edit Folder. This opens a window where you can customize what appears inside. Here's where the magic happens. In the Edit Folder settings, look for the Add Chats button. Clicking this reveals a checklist of chat categories including groups, channels, bots, and, importantly, non-contacts. Uncheck the box next to non-contacts. This ensures that only people in your contacts list will appear in this folder. Once you've unchecked the option, review your changes. Double-check that only the categories you want, like individual contacts or specific groups, are selected. When you're satisfied, hit the Save button at the bottom of the window. Telegram will instantly update the folder, removing all non-contacts from view. And that's it. Your folder is now cleaner and more focused. This is especially useful if you've been added to groups or channels by strangers, or if you want to prioritize chats with people you actually know. The process is quick, but the impact on your workflow can be huge. Remember, this method works for any folder you create or edit. Want a folder just for close friends? Uncheck everything except individual contacts. Need a space for work chats? Mix and match categories to suit your needs. Telegram's flexibility lets you take control of how your messages are organized. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with someone who might need a clutter-free Telegram experience too. Thanks for tuning in, and happy messaging.